Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Megaminx using the easy method. This fascinating puzzle has 12 faces and 50 pieces, making it a delightful challenge. We'll approach this by solving it layer by layer, starting with a single face. Typically, we begin with the white face, as it provides a clear starting point for the entire solve. Get ready to learn the fundamental steps to conquer this dodecahedron puzzle. Now, let's tackle the first layer. Your initial goal is to form a star on your chosen face, which means correctly positioning 5 edge pieces around the center. Ensure these edge pieces match the colors of the adjacent center pieces. Once your star is perfect, you'll then insert the 5 corner pieces. These pieces will complete the entire first layer, giving you a solid foundation of one face and its surrounding edges and corners. Moving on, we'll now focus on the second and third layers. The second layer involves placing 10 edge pieces that connect the first layer to the third. You'll use simple algorithms to correctly insert each of these 10 edges into their proper slots. Following this, the third layer requires you to position 10 corner pieces. These steps build upon your initial foundation, gradually expanding the solved sections of your Megaminx puzzle. Finally, we reach the upper layers and the grand finale. This stage involves solving the remaining 20 edge pieces, which will connect the upper faces. After all edges are in place, you'll orient the final 10 corner pieces, ensuring every piece is correctly positioned and twisted. With these steps, your Megaminx will be fully solved. Remember, consistent practice is essential to truly master this easy method and solve the puzzle efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.